keep yourself fit and active while working with the UREVO. Under-desk treadmill offers foldable design, coming in lightweight. In order to enhance your user experience, comes with a remote control that can adjust the speed of up to 3.8 miles per hour. You can also access the speed of up to 7.6 miles per hour just from the tip of your finger on the handrail button. The innovative screen, which clearly displays time, speed, distance, and calories, simultaneously adopts one-touch design. You can easily get your desired exercise needs. This treadmill packs a 2.5 horsepower motor that provides a smooth and powerful running experience with a user's weight capacity of up to 265 pounds. It comes with a premium 5-layer, 16.9-inch widened running belt so that you can walk safely without working up sweat. 8-piece silica gel column, built-in deck to prevent any potential injuries. It's a feature you're going to love from day one. If you're looking for a treadmill that can be used for running as well as walking and offers great portability features, UREVO treadmill will be a great choice for you.